Ndlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly kunalento le esematheni kulamalanga abathi ke na yiBella Bill. So this thing I'm trying to actually figure out something ngayo, but still angitholi. Like there's this hype, these arguments, this halabaloo. I don't know what is happening kahle kahle, because angiboni into engathi ingaze ngithi ngale yaBella Bill, because mina ngiyifundi to be honest, but lento elwelwayo angiboni. On the side Africans yabona thina, mina am Zulu originally, ngumZulu nje phaqa futhi, but we were forced to learn Afrikaans, and akukho la ngisiza khona Africans today. Ekanprat mardai Africans is ni belangrek ni. So why was I forced to be taught in Afrikaans? Okay, we fought it until sawina vele sigqokiswa no khaki ikhindi lezi zo khaki salwa saphuma lapho, but angiboni ukubaleka kweAfrikaans. So yini le enzima? Why kungathiwa ke nama Afrikaners nawo they must learn isiZulu, Tswana or any other vernac? Why kumele kube yithi nje kuphela sipoqa ukuthi sifunde Afrikaans? Okay, angiyazi le yaBella Bill, angaze ngifunde, but anginandaba futhi kangako nayo kwamanje, because ngiyabona nje ukuthi kusegcwele inkulumo, sizobona after 3 months. Kodwa what I understand mina kukodwa ukuthi once kwaba nebill yaya eParliament, yaya ecourt, yaphasa ecourt, yaphasa eParliament, yabuya yazonika upresident ukuthi ayisign. Ngisho upresident angathi kunama clauses lawa angawasayinanga u2. That bill is valid as it is njengamanje, njengoba isayinile is valid that bill. Angazi mhlambe ke ulwazi lwethu luncane, ngiye ngabona nje ubani lo Khali Krill or ubani lo we AfriForum. That guy, he's happy ukuthi wafonelwa uRamaphosa nani ukuthi lento kumele ilungiswe within 3 months. There's nothing to be fixed within 3 months. If ukuthi iye eParliament yavotelwa, kumele ukuthi mangabe nifuna ukuyiphikisa and amend it must go back to Parliament and follow the very same procedure. So njengoba isayinile, uyabona ke ubaba wenkomo la, ngihlala ngithi ubaba wenkomo yabheda. Uyabona ubaba wenkomo la udlalile ngo Freedom Front Plus no AfriForum behlangene no da, wadlala ngabo bonke abahlanganisa ngamakhanda. Cha, baba wenkomo kulokho ngikushayela izandla, ngoba kumanje bona they think ukuthi there is still a way to actually reverse this thing, but there is nothing they can do, because first and foremost, even if it goes to Parliament after this, they don't have numbers. Abakwa Granny, they've got MK, they've got EFF. Whether this bill is right for us as the black people of this country or it's not, or it's right for the poor or it's not, I don't know. But what I know, ukuthi, if it's supported by our progressive parties, these people must just forget. They are not going to get anything out of this, because they need to take it back to Parliament and vote for it. And if they get beaten in Parliament, then it will go back to whatever it is right now. Because right now, we've got an act. It's no longer a bill. That thing is law now in South Africa. Whatever that Bella Bill is law now in South Africa. It's an act. So ukuthi ubaba wenkomo uthe hayi kusamele icwaningisise for ubanikeza 3 months to actually sit down and deliberate on it further. It was deliberated a long time ago. For the past 10 years they've been busy with this thing. So iphasile wayasayinwa ubaba wenkomo. So akusekho ukujika manje. So ningavumi nje nina ke nani ukuthi nize ningene kuma argument ahambisana nale nto leya. Mani bezwa nje bekhuluma labelungu bathi nyonyonyo nivele nibahleke, because that thing akusinto ka president, akusinto yeqembu, akusinto yalama right wingers lawo. Cha, once nje yaye eParliament, yaphasa eParliament, bazamukise ecourt, yaphasa ecourt, yaze yafika ekutheni isayinwe, it's a done deal. Ukuthi kunama clauses amanye abawasethe aside, it's not going to work. Kuma ngabe ukuthi those clauses kumele challenge either IDA or AfriForum or whoever, or Freedom Front Plus or PA, whoever that wants to challenge that, they need to take it back to Parliament, and then it must be taken back to Parliament, and then if it happens they don't have numbers, they lose, still that law, it will stay. It's law. It's no longer a bill, it's law, it's an act. So I don't know ukuthi lezinto lesi understand ngokuhlukana, because I would think ukuthi abantu abafana neAfriForum kulamaloya amakhulu kabi lapha, they need to be understanding of this thing. But now I don't know what they are trying to push. But anyway, anything that has to do with the transformation in South Africa, these right wingers, they will come and stand in the way. So to hell with them. Tako.